Number 1. The magic of glass laser engravers. Picture this for a moment. You're staring at a completely ordinary glass. Nothing fancy, just a plain piece of crystal. Now, imagine that within minutes, this same glass transforms into a one-of-a-kind masterpiece with a name, a sleek logo, or a phrase that looks like it was always meant to be there. That's the magic of a glass laser engraver. It turns the everyday into the extraordinary. This device has become essential for anyone looking to start a home-based business. The world of customization is endless. Glasses, cups, bottles, vases, mugs, practically any glass item can be elevated to a luxury product. And the precision? It's surgical. Every detail is crisp, clean, and absolutely captivating at first glance. So, who's buying? Weddings, anniversaries, bars, restaurants, gift shops, and businesses seeking exclusive corporate gifts. The process is straightforward. Connect the machine to your computer, load your design into software like Lightburn or Laser GRBL, place your piece on the base, and let the laser do its magic. Best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard. These machines run quietly, don't produce smoke if you use the right materials, and are compact enough to sit on your desk. Investment? Starting around $200, often including software, safety glasses, and basic spare parts. Now, the business math is simple. Each item costs about $2 to make and can sell for $10 to $20 depending on the design. Let's do the numbers. 10 to 15 pieces a day could bring in $100 to $300 daily. Big event or corporate orders? Profitability skyrockets. Number 2. The automatic coconut peeler. Let's take a trip to the tropics. Imagine the sun, the beach, and that moment when someone hands you a fresh, clean, ready-to-drink coconut. Ever wonder what makes that possible? It's an automatic coconut peeler. This ingenious machine has revolutionized the coconut water business. Here's how it works. Place the coconut in the holder, push a button, and in seconds, the blades remove the outer shell. Some models even have adjustable spinning blades, speeding up the process and leaving the coconut perfectly presentable, ideal for display cases or delivery orders. The potential? Massive. One machine can process up to 200 coconuts per hour. You could sell bottled coconut water, frozen pulp, or just perfectly cleaned coconuts for smoothies, juices, or desserts. Investment starts around $1,000, depending on the model. Coconuts cost 30 cents to 70 cents each, and each can sell for $2 to $3 or even more with premium presentations or combo deals. Think about it. Working just 4 hours a day, you could peel 500 to 600 coconuts. That's $300 to $500 in daily revenue. Not just a business, it's a tropical cash oasis. Number 3. The rice paper machine. Now let's dive into tradition. Not everything profitable is high-tech. Sometimes centuries-old methods hide the real treasures. Enter rice paper. A product with a rich history that's still highly valued in kitchens, ceremonies, and even sustainable industries. With a compact machine, you can turn ground rice, starch, and water into delicate, flexible, edible sheets. Yes, these are the ones used for sushi rolls, but their versatility is endless. Healthy snacks, biodegradable packaging, creative baking, or even ceremonial paper. The process is mesmerizing. Prepare the mixture, pour it onto a heated, rotating surface, cook for a few seconds, and let it dry into a sheet ready for packaging or consumption. Thickness and size are adjustable, giving you a wide range of products to offer. Investment? Affordable. Manual models start at $600. Semi-automatic ones from $1,200. Available on platforms like Alibaba, Amazon Business, or Made in China. Profitability is impressive. 1 kilo of rice can yield 100 to 120 sheets, selling for 0.15 to 50 cents each. With a cheap raw material, you could generate hundreds of dollars daily, especially if you supply Japanese restaurants, vegan stores, or leverage social media for viral reach. And here's the bonus. Don't stop at selling. You could create DIY sushi kits, personalized sheet designs, or even offer online courses teaching creative rice paper uses. Yeah, it's a business with no ceiling. Ancient tradition meets modern innovation, resulting in guaranteed growth. Number 4. The Carpentry Router. Imagine yourself in your workshop, surrounded by the unmistakable aroma of freshly cut wood. In your hands is a plain block of timber, but in your mind, it's already a sleek sign, a rustic frame, or a one-of-a-kind table bearing the signature of your creativity. The tool that makes this transformation possible? The Carpentry Router, also known as a handheld router or rebajadora. The magic of this machine lies in its versatility. It can cut, groove, bevel, carve, and shape with surgical precision, delivering clean, professional-grade finishes every time. The secret? A high-powered motor spinning a router bit at incredible speeds. Your job is simply to guide it along the surface. And voila! That simple plank turns into a masterpiece. What can you make with it? Oh, the possibilities are endless. Personalized signs, decorative frames, rustic furniture, pet accessories, kitchen utensils, or handmade souvenirs. Products that don't just look amazing, they sell. Think craft fairs, specialty stores, Etsy, or even Facebook Marketplace. With this router, your creativity literally becomes a money-making machine. The investment? Totally accessible. Professional models from trusted brands like DeWalt, Makita, or Bosch run between $120 and $250. Durable, powerful, and user-friendly. Tight budget? No problem. There are starter kits to get your feet wet without risking too much capital. Available on Amazon, Mercado Libre, or industrial hardware stores. And even through Alibaba or AliExpress if you're hunting for cost savings. Now, here's the juicy part. A simple wooden sign can sell for $25 to $60. With recycled materials, a design template, and some imagination, you could crank out multiple pieces a day. Just 5 orders daily? That's $750 to $1,500 a month right from home. And if you scale up to a table router or CNC machine, woo, your production skyrockets, and you can offer more complex, exclusive designs that command higher prices. Yeah! Number 5. 3D Silicone Label Machine. Now let's pivot to fashion and personalization, a booming industry with endless opportunities. Enter the 3D Silicone Label Machine, a device that lets you produce logos, patches, badges, and decorative labels for clothing, shoes, backpacks, hats, and accessories with a professional finish. The process? Simple yet mesmerizing. The machine heats liquid silicone, injects it into molds you design, and in minutes, you get flexible, washable, durable labels with a premium look. No prior experience required, and the workflow is fast and easily automated. Starting investment is around $1,000, depending on whether you choose a single or double workstation model. Available on Alibaba, Made in China, AliExpress, or through local distributors. Many machines include molds, so you can start producing almost immediately. Profit potential is sweet. Each label costs $0.05 to $0.10 to make, and you can sell them for $0.50 to $2 depending on design and order volume. Partnering with emerging fashion brands, sports clubs, or small textile businesses, that's a steady stream of orders. With personalized fashion and artisanal branding on the rise, this machine gives you a mini factory at home with global demand. Literally, your ticket into the fashion world with profits growing with every design you launch. Number 6. Tire Shredder. Now let's switch gears. Forget craft, think eco-business with social impact. Meet the Tire Shredder, a machine that's profitable and tackles a major environmental problem. Its function? Simple. It breaks down used tires into small rubber pieces, separating steel and fibers. The end product? Rubber for asphalt, industrial mats, playground surfaces, and even recycled footwear. Talk about circular economy in action! Base models start around $2,500, available on Alibaba, AliExpress, made in China, or through specialized distributors. Robust but compact enough to fit in moderate spaces provided safety standards are met. Profit potential is solid. One tire produces 5 to 15 kilograms of rubber, selling for $0.25 to $0.60 per kilo, depending on the market. Processing just 10 tires a day, that's $30 to $70 daily, easily over $1,000 per month. And here's the kicker: raw material is nearly free. Partner with local garages, tire shops, scrap yards, or service stations for a steady supply. Plus, green businesses are hot right now. Eco-friendly ventures, recycling, and sustainable innovation resonate on social media and search engines, giving your project extra visibility and an audience eager to support it. Yeah, it's a business that's profitable and meaningful. Number 7. The Trash Bag Making Machine. Pause for a second and think, what product does every household, shop, and business use daily, no matter the season? Exactly, trash bags. And here's the kicker: with the right machine, you can turn this everyday necessity into a stable business with guaranteed sales and steady growth. This machine converts rolls of polyethylene into ready-to-use bags for home, commercial, or even industrial use. The process is fully automated. Load the plastic roll, set your desired size, and the machine handles everything: cutting, sealing, and stacking. You just watch as perfect bags roll out, ready for sale. Yeah! And here's where creativity kicks in. You're not limited to classic black bags. Make colorful bags, or better yet, eco-friendly recycled versions, a growing trend in today's market. Investment starts around $5,000 for a fully automatic model, available on Alibaba, AliExpress, or made in China. Many suppliers even offer shipping and support to your country. On a tighter budget, semi-automatic machines are perfect for starting a small workshop or garage operation. Profit? Here's the sweet part. Producing 1 kilo of bags costs 60 cents to 80 cents, and that same kilo can sell for $1.20 to $1.80. Whew! Almost to 100% margin. Just 20 kilos per day could bring in $800 to $1,000 per month. You don't need a big brand to get started. From day one, sell to hardware stores, fruit markets, local shops, cleaning companies, or any business with constant bag usage. And if you want to go further, personalized bags with logos are a hot trend, attracting entrepreneurs looking for distinctive packaging. In short, it's a business model with moderate startup costs, easy operations, and a reliable revenue stream. A simple product turned into a solid income. Number 8. The Metal Punch and Shear Machine. Now let's shift gears to something more robust. Imagine having a machine in your workshop that's compact yet packs the power of an entire factory. That's the metal punch and shear, a tool that can make your business profitable from day one. This machine combines two functions in one: punching, creating holes and special cuts with precision, and shearing, allowing clean, straight, and fast cuts on various metals. We're talking steel, aluminum, iron, or brass, all worked with incredible accuracy. What can you make with it? The possibilities are huge. Decorative grills, ornamental pieces, industrial supports, custom hinges, lightweight metal structures, even components for construction projects. That's why locksmiths, metal carpentry workshops, and contractors value it so highly. Basic models use manual pedals for precision, while modern versions have hydraulic systems that boost productivity. No need for a huge workshop, they run on standard electricity and fit into adapted home spaces. Investment starts around $800, depending on size and features. Available on Amazon, eBay, or through local distributors with support and warranty included. Profit? Here's where it gets exciting. A simple metal bracket costs 20 to 40 cents in materials and can sell for $1.50 to $3. Wide margins, consistent demand. With regular orders from hardware stores, construction firms, or workshops, you could easily exceed $1,200 per month, even working part-time. In short, the metal punch and shear isn't just a tool, it's a shortcut to a profitable, practical business with guaranteed demand. No employees needed, no prior experience required, just a dedicated space and the drive to turn metal into money.